In this video, I will show you how to create a Crypto.com account. So step number 1 is if you want to claim a bonus, you can use the link down in the description and you can earn up to 90 euros in Kronos for free just by signing up through that link. Now from there, after you get to this screen, you just want to go and hit sign up. Then from here, it will say create a new account. First, go and enter your email address. Then you can either enter your email address, continue with Apple or Google. I'll just use my email address and click continue with email. Then you will need to verify that it's your email address by entering the code sent to your email address. After doing that, the next step is to enter a phone number. So first select your country here, then here type in your phone number and then click continue. Now the next step after this is to verify it's your phone number by entering the verification code. Then step number 3 is to set your passcode. So you will need to create a 6-digit code that you will use to sign in the future. And the 4th and final step is to verify your identity. So what you need to do is click agree and continue when you're prompted, and then select your issuing country and provide your full legal name. Then just take a photo of your government issue. Then just take a photo of your ID. This can be a passport, driver's license, ID card, and then follow the on-screen prompts to take a live selfie so the system can match your face to the ID, and then just wait for the review process to complete. You will then receive an in-app notification and an email once your identity is successfully verified, and from there you can start using Crypto.com so you can deposit some money, buy some crypto, and just start using it overall. So now you know how to create a Crypto.com account. Again, if you want to get up to 90 euros for free in Kronos, you can sign up through the link down in the description. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.